Hi, I'm Philip, I'm 22 years old. I'm a student and I come from Hamburg. Okay, Jennifer is a person which is like really warm-hearted. I think that's the best thing to describe her. So when I've been to her home, she made me feel like it's my home as well. That was very beautiful. And she's very nice to people, she's easily to talk to. And I think she treats everybody similar. That's a very good thing, I like that. Superpower. Actually, I'm quite good with people, I would say. It's super easy for me to talk to people, and even in these environments where I don't live in, I think it's quite easy for me to make friends and to find people. Yeah. I would say like in my country, I think there's a huge gap between the poor people and the rich people. Of course, Germany is quite a good country, and we have like good systems in kind of way to help poor people. But I think there is still a huge gap, and some people are not treated really good, and it's super difficult for people to achieve things. Like especially migrants have it very hard when they come here. So I think I would like to help them in that way. I think I'm proud of what I did till now, kind of. I'm quite proud of what I did during my travels. I liked it because I set myself some goals to achieve some things, and I did that. I'm proud of that. Yeah, I think that's it. Mushrooms are no vegetables, are they? If we count mushrooms as a vegetable, it's a mushroom, so it maybe not. But I think mushrooms are quite cool because they can survive mostly everywhere, and I like that. Okay, I think there are some things that I put like the most value on. For example, loyalty and honesty. I don't mind if a person is straightforward and is telling me bad things, like things that he doesn't like about me. Even like it's honest, so I like that. That's very good. And I think a person needs to be very honest to me. I would say friends take like a huge part of my life, because I love my friends and they are kind of a family for me. And that's super good, so I really need my friends. I talk with them about like most of my problems. Lately not so much, I'm a bit sad about that. But I like to take my time for them. Even if I'm stressed or have things to do, I still take time for my friends, yeah. Okay, so the first question, how often I meet with friends. It depends how much stress I have, but like sometimes a week. Sometimes when I'm not super stressed, I meet with them every day, just for a coffee or to have dinner or something. And I think like to meet new people, to become new friends with people, I think this can be difficult because people can be distanced. But I think if new people come here, people are open-minded and they like new people. That's a good question. I think so, because it depends. Like, of course there is a tension between men and women, but when this tension is cleared and both sides know and want that they want to be friends with the other one, I think then it's possible. Okay, I send you to Alexander. He's living in Zurich. He comes from Hamburg actually. So I know him for some years now. And yes, I'm sending you to him because I think he's a very nice person and I think you'll have a great time with him. Okay, so he's very easy to talk to. I like that, and you know, it's like you can have fun with him on the one side, but on the other side you can also have like very deep conversations with him just about everything you want. And I really like this about him. It doesn't matter what you're talking about, you can always go into a deep with him, even about like stupid and banal things. I like that, that's very cool. I think this was like some years ago. We met like through my friend circle, and I know he's very open, and he's very nice to all kinds of people, and that's a very big value I put on people also. So I measure friendship not just like how nice he is to me, but also how nice he is to other people and also to the people in need. And I think that's very nice, and I think I value his values as well. So we have like very much things in common, and this is why I like him. Like we've been to some festivals together. I think we had like beautiful nights out then. That was crazy, yeah. I appreciate your friendship really much, and for your future, I would like to tell you that you should be yourself the way you are, because that's perfect, and don't change.